Hi guys, welcome back to another video lesson. Today's import-export tip is quite simple. How do you estimate the shipping costs? So what's the deal? How do you actually pay the shipping costs when you're importing from China? So let me just answer that real quickly. There's a couple of ways to ship goods. Depends if you're shipping by air, you ship it by air. If you're shipping by sea, then obviously you have to do containers, which is a lot more expensive. If you are shipping by air, there's alternatives like DHL, FedEx, very expensive options, by the way, people, but they are very viable, especially if you're just importing small samples. Now, how do you estimate shipping costs? Well, a couple of quick ways of doing this. You ask the supplier or the person in Alibaba how much it will cost for you to ship a particular item. So you ask them the weight, the size, the dimensions, how will it be packaged? Is it going to be a box? How wide's the box going to be? Is it padded? Those kind of things. So these are the things you have to ask your supplier. And from there, you can go to sites like FedEx, DHL, and there's estimations. It's free to actually cost. You just enter the dimensions in there, you enter the weight, and you can estimate roughly how much it will cost you to ship a particular item. I've done this many times. It's quite, many times it can be quite accurate. But if if you're shipping multiple items, obviously you just multiply the weight by multiple items. But that's probably the best and by far the most accurate way of estimating shipping costs. Now, if you are going to ship a lot of items by air, there's something over there called China Post, which is, the national subsidized postal carrier over there. And usually shipping over there is free. Doesn't cost them a cent. So they can ship to you, whether you're in Europe, USA, or Australia, and they can ship to you for free, which is good. So just something to think about and consider. It may take 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks for it to arrive, but it does arrive. I've never had a problem with shipping from China. All right, guys, that's it for me. And I just want to, you're probably asking, why am I here in Moscow? I've made quite a few videos for the YouTube channel here. I've got about maybe two to five clients that I'm seeing usually once every day. Basically, they're importing a large amount of products here in China. Everything from souvenirs to furniture to tables to glassware, everything like that. And I'm over here just meeting up with them. And that's pretty much why I'm here. And you know what, guys? I just want to say one thing. If you are importing from China, it is a fantastic opportunity for you to travel if you love traveling. Talk soon, guys.